Scribe Lite also gives you the option to add in regular payments and regular receipts. So the example here would be anything that happens on a regular basis. You might have some direct debits or some standing orders. So by doing this, it means you then don't have to enter the information every time it takes place. You can create the record from your regular payment screen. So again, to add a regular payment, it will be the plus at the top. So very similar to the payment screen we were just in, but at this point, it is just a template of the payments they're expecting to make. It's not an actual payment entry at this point. So we put in the details that we have. So if we have a direct debit, for example, coming from our current account, the date doesn't matter hugely because it will be created when you enter it in, but you may want to put the date that you first started doing this from. So let's say we've gone back to the 1st of April for this direct debit. So let's have an electricity direct debit in this example. So again, you can create new descriptions in here as you did in the previous screen if you need to. And again, if you don't have the supplier, I don't here. So again, I can go in and add in ABC electricity. Select to create them new. Again, if I've got a VAT number, remember to enter in their VAT details. And then where that payment will go to. So again, this is payments and our utilities code. And let's lower, and let's say they're going to be taking £100 a month. So we can add this in. So we have now created a template of payments that happen on a regular basis. So it's up to you to manage them. So it can be any level of regularity, and you just need to remember to put them in as they go. You can do the same thing with regular receipts. It might not be so common, but even if you get regular bank interest, you could add that in, because even if the amounts change, you can amend them once they're created. So it may still be useful for things such as that. So once you've got all your regular payments in, you can go up to the edit screen and you can choose to apply. And this will add in the date. So if we now say that the 1st of October is the date that we're paying our electricity direct debit, we can tick that. If you have any other transactions added, you could tick them and they would all then use that same transaction date. So if we click apply, it will create it. It will say no items available to apply, but they'll still be there for next time. So if we go and have a look at our payment screen, we'll see that number 5 is now that electricity direct debit. And if we return to our regular payments, it's still there. So next month, or whenever it is that it next happens, we've got that available to us to add in. Okay, that's everything I want to show you with regards to adding in your transactions. The next video to take a look at then is looking at the bank menu and how to reconcile Scribe to your bank statement.